Yeah. Vibe. Just call me Mr. Fix-It. You need special attention. I be unclogging your drain, trying to find that thing to make you flow the same. Sometimes I ain't ready, 'cause you flow so heavy, babe. Trying to control your trip until you tell me that's it. It got me soaking wet, yeah. Baby, your water's dripping down. It starts to flow when I'm around. Your faucet's got a leak, and I know it leaks from me, baby. Baby, your water's dripping down. It starts to flow when I'm around. Your faucet's got a leak, and I know it leaks for me. Hey, yeah. There's an overflow. It's dripping everywhere. Try not to slip and fall. How am I about to let that shit up where it lays? And I'm so amazed. Yeah, it's so unusual, but I got what I need. Don't get confused, you know that I'm the perfect man for the job. You won't get robbed. Simple and plain, baby girl, I'ma do my thing, you know. Baby, your water's dripping down. It starts to flow when I'm around. Your faucet's got a leak, and I know it leaks from me, baby. Baby, your water's dripping down. It starts to flow when I'm around. Your faucet's got a leak. Your faucet's got a leak, and I know it leaks for me. Hey, yeah.